हेलो। मेरा नाम अंशु यादव है और आई एम फ्रॉम a sales experience background wherein I have almost 8 years of work experience. Uh, I've been into Africa, which was my last experience. I have been there for 2 years. Prior to it, I have been working with Indian multinationals, which line with Neil Kamal, Walmart, RSPL groups, and these were the companies who has given me a exposure of sales, wherein through which I had a good knowledge into the sales, and I was working as a sales manager in my last organization. But due to COVID, I came to India, and unfortunately, the lockdown was announced, and I was supposed to join in a company which has an office in Oman. The same company where I was working in Africa, they had an office in Oman. I was supposed to join there, but unfortunately, because of COVID, I could not go back and join there. And since last 1.5 years, I was sitting idle doing nothing. But in between, in the month of April, I was going through COVID, and I have faced a lot of financial crisis. And then I got a call from Sanskar Society one day. I was going through Facebook, and I was searching for job in sales, wherein in India itself I can work somewhere. So I clicked on a vacancy, and fortunately that went to the Sanskar Society. From there, I got a call to visit and have a meeting with Mr. VK sir, and I met him. He guided me a few things, and he gave me a path where I can give my interviews into the different companies, and wherein for me it was very lucky that I was given an opportunity in the first day itself, where I got a good call from the company named Superhouse. And uh, and the interview all went very fine. It was very good, and they called me for their final session on a day, and to finalize the final round was, I mean, to take my final round. So I was very happy. I was convinced, but in the starting, when I came here, I had a dilemma whether I should go through all this process of registration or not. But uh, things went on very nicely, and I gave a try whether I should go with it. And definitely, I would recommend people, those who are watching my videos, should come here, at least give their time. Don't be hesitant to reach up to Abhishek sir or madam. VK sir is very nice. He can guide you, and he can tell you a proper path through which you can make up your career. So I would thank Mr. VK sir, who has been helpful and thankful for me, to make me understand and to line me uh, with the companies for the interviews.